Hi, I'm Leanne with Discovery Center Museum. Today, we're going to do some fun activities to show how water behaves as part of our playful learning at home. Water molecules are sticky and they love to stick together, but they don't always love to stick to other objects. Have you ever noticed how raindrops roll off the sides of your umbrella? So let's get started. Cohesion is the word for the stickiness that water molecules have for each other. Using a styrofoam plate, a dropper, water, and food coloring, let's watch how water molecules like to come together. For fun, I'm going to try combining two primary colors, red, yellow, or blue, to make a secondary color. I made green. As much as water molecules like to stick together, they don't always like to stick to other objects. That's called adhesion. When water shows adhesion, it becomes part of the object that it touches. That's called absorption. The object absorbs the water. Let's test it out by dropping water on this sponge. Do you think the water will become part of the sponge? It did. The sponge absorbed the water. Now let's try it out on this towel. Do you think the water will become part of the towel? It did. But how about this Lego base? What is it made of? It's made of plastic. What do you think? Let's try to put some water on the Lego base and see if it absorbs it. Nope, it rolled right off the tray. It didn't show absorption. That's called desorption. So I challenge you to try dropping water on different objects in a sink or outside to see if it shows absorption or desorption. If you try these activities at home, take pictures and share them with us using #DiscoveryScience. Thanks for playing.
Subscribe for more daily science, crafts, and activities, or visit the Discovery Center Museum Playful Learning at Home webpage for more information.